channel, it's me again. This is another craft vlogmas today. Merry Vlogmas, and thank you to everybody who's been watching our vlogs. We can't thank you enough. Poor Trev is hard at work, but I'm here with my sister again, doing crafts. Well, I'm not doing crafts because I'm hopeless and I can't hold stuff, so not for me. But for my sister here, thank goodness, she's here to help you with your Christmas crafting. Today we're going to help you to create Merry Christmas using calligraphy. If you would like to write Merry Christmas using a style of calligraphy, keep watching guys, because we're going to show you how to do it. First one we're going to show you is using Sumi Inks and a dip pen. We will leave links below to where you can get these from. We will also leave a PDF in the description for you to download for free with Merry Christmas on that I will scan for you so you can create your own or use it as a practice, because calligraphy is all about practice. Dip your dip pen into the ink. You can see it covers the line, so the pen has to be filled. As you can see, there's a very small hole there. It's hard for me to zoom on that. There's a very small hole. All I'll do is I'll take a picture to show you and I'll set it on screen. So remember to keep ink in the pen. It's very important. You don't want it to run out halfway through. Beautiful. You can tell as the pen starts to run out. Amazing. Really cool. I'm just going to turn it around to show you. Look at that, guys. Really, really, really cool. We will leave this in the description. So if you want to copy it and go over it yourself, you can do. So on the pen, you will see right on the nib, it's split actually into two parts. These are called tines, and when the tines are open, this creates the thick part of the writing. Okay, so that's the part when you press down hardest and you open the tines, the two splits on the end, the two prongs on the end, that's when you create the thick area. Thin lines here, these are called hairlines, and if you watch my sister, she did these at the end. She didn't try and do them at the start, these were filled in at the end. Just keep practicing guys, because do you know what, if you could put that in a Christmas card, I think people would be amazed. Check out my sister's Instagram name, I'll put it on the screen for you now, so you can check out some of her calligraphy work. It's amazing.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings.
Now I'm going to show you how to use a brush pen to write season's greetings. We'll leave a link to some brush pens in the description. We're not sponsored, we bought these ourselves. We don't make any money off them. It's just if you guys want to have a pack of your own.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figure pudding. Oh, bring us a figure pudding. Oh, bring us a figure pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed our creative Vlogmas today. I really enjoyed it. I'm really impressed with my sister. She's amazing. Remember to check her out on Instagram. Also remember to check us on socials. We're on Facebook and Instagram. And Facebook and Instagram are more up to date than what we normally are, to be honest. I have one last thing to say to you. Merry Christmas, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye. Merry Christmas.